Well, hello and welcome to Fantastic Fluency English Tips and More with Charles. I'm Charles, as you know, and I'm glad to be with you. For those of you who don't know, hello, happy to meet you. Welcome to Fantastic Fluency English Tips, where we give you tips for your journey in speaking English. This channel is dedicated to helping already English-speaking people, but maybe they're just can't seem to get over a hurdle here, a hurdle there. So I'm taking daily life English tips to help in your journey with English fluency at whatever level you might be. This is I Speak in English to illustrate different points in English and how to use it fluently. So you need to be a little bit of an English speaker already to follow along in this channel, but this channel is dedicated to your English fluency, knowing what I know to help you know what you know better and use it better. So keep coming back. We have all kinds of videos on English language to be able to help with the fluency, everyday English terms, everyday English phrases, and yes, questions and answers, those kind of things. I really emphasize the importance of phonics in this channel, the basic phonics pronunciation of the English language. So do look at the phonics videos there on the playlist. I'm sure you'll get a lot of value out of them. So today I'm going to jump right into the lesson with no more fuss and salesmanship. But I love telling you on this channel because I have a lot to give to you. Let's go on now. So today we're going to be talking about two verbs. They're both past tense, did and was. How to use them in the correct way with connecting other words in sentences and phrases to train your ears on listening to people speaking English. You can read English and speak it well while you're reading it, but to be able to understand spoken simple English sometimes is not always so easy. So I'd like to help you get over that difficulty. So let's concentrate on listening to stuff we probably already know, but to repeat is to enhance your fluency. So let's get right on with it. Look at the board over here. You see I have a board there. I'll be looking up at it once in a while and looking back at you. So don't mind if I do this kind of thing. I'm practicing to get the message to you. All right, let's go to this. Look at the board here. You see the sentence there. Let me put my glasses on better. What did he do? You see that sentence? Who did he go with? Oh, you say I'm speaking like a native English speaker already. Let me back up and make that a little more clear for you so that you'll get the difference and the improvement as we move along. The first sentence was, what did he do? I'm just going to say each sentence first. It'll be written up here. Next, who did he go with? Who did he go with? See, it's a little difficult not to speak naturally. Next is, what was he doing? What was he doing? Yeah. Next one is, where was she driving? Where was she driving? We're using what and where and who in these also. That'll be a lesson for you too. And you even have the bonus word how in here. Next is, how did he hurt himself? How did he hurt himself? Next is, where did he fall? Where did he fall? Next, where was she going? Where was she going? And the last one on our list is, where did it happen? Where did it happen? Okay, these are 8 sentences that we'll be using to help with your listening training and Also, connecting words for fluency in this session. Those are two main points I want you to get here. You're going to be learning how to hone your listening skills and how to speak with fluency using the past tense verbs did and was. So those are the 2 points. They're up on the board there. Let's go to the first sentence. What did he do? Well, of course, I'm sure you understand the meaning. What did he do? It means just what it says. It's a question asking what a person did. We don't actually say it like, what did he do? This is something he did in the past and not necessarily what he was or where he was. It's like an action showing a movement, showing something that a person did. So we use the word did in our past tense because it's referring to an action, not to a place of being as a person. So let's go over that, shall we? Let me stop just for a moment because I want to move the fan. Back again. The fan is moved. You see, it's a little bit better now. Not so unsightly. Okay, so I want to tell you how to use this. What did he do? How to listen to what native speakers say and teach you how to catch it. Hone your listening. What did he do? We usually say, what did he do? You see there the what, did, and do, he, do, are all stuck together in one word, one sentence. So listen to that again. What did he do? What did he do? Did he? He is he. We're not saying he do, but you need to catch that. If someone says, what did he do? You need to catch that they're asking you what that person did. That male person, right? He is a male person, so you want to catch that someone is asking you about what he did, right? Once more, what did he do? It'll be up here on the board so you can kind of catch it. 3 times, each one 3 times. What did he do? 3rd time. What did he do? Okay, that's that one. Let's go to who did he go with? Who did he go with? Who did he go? Who did he go? Who did he go? Who did he go with? You see, you emphasize who, he, with. He is kind of deleted there too. The H is deleted. E becomes he. So go is emphasized. Who? Go with. Who did he go with? Once more. Who did he go with? 3rd time. Who did he go with? Who did he go with? Is the sentence. Let's go to the next one. What was he doing? What was he doing? What was he? What was he? What was he? You see, with the was, we're using the ing form of do. It's continuous form. What was he doing? What was he doing? The T is also deleted, not actually deleted, but de-emphasized. What was he? What was he? What was he doing? What was he? All connected. What was he doing? Okay, let's go to the next one. Where was she driving? This too is a place, and it's ing. It's ing, so it's a continuous form of the verb. Here we go. We use was with the ing. Where was she driving? Is where was she driving? Where was she? It's all connected. Where was she driving? See there? Where was she driving? Looking at the sentence. Where was she driving? All right, let's go to the next one. This time we're talking about did and was again, but with some different sentences. We're going to use how this time. It's, how is included with the WH questions. You notice at the end of each of these questions, we don't go, we go, it drops. This is the WH and the H questions. Never go up at the end. So remember that. That's just a little bit of review for you. We've had video on that before too. You can look at that one on the playlist also. But let's go back to our lesson now. Next sentence is, how did he hurt himself? Did you see it up there? How did he hurt himself? Let's say it in an everyday tone. How did he hurt himself? How did he hurt himself? How did he hurt himself? You see, how did he is how did he hurt himself. Hurt himself ではなくて it's more like hurt himself. The T becomes almost like a soft D, right? Hurt himself. Once more, how did he hurt himself? How did he hurt himself? Okay, let's go to the next one. Where did he fall? Oh, poor guy, he fell down. Where did he fall? Let's ask that in every day. Where did he fall? You see the where, did, and the he are all connected. Where did he fall? Where and fall? Where did he fall? Where did he fall? Where did he fall? You see? It's all connected there. I hope you're catching that. Let's go to the next one. This is another ing form, continuous form of the verb. So we use was. Here we go. Where was she going? Where was she going? But let's connect that in everyday connections. We link them together or connect them together. You use both terms. They mean the same thing. Where was she going? Where was she going? You see that? Where was she going? It's all connected. Where was she? Where was she? And going is a bit emphasized, isn't it? Let's go to the last one now. Where did it happen? You can up on the where if you like to emphasize it. Where did it happen? All right, let's connect that now. Where did it happen? Where did it happen? Where did it happen? It is de-emphasized also. Where did it is not how you say it there. Where did it happen? Where did it happen? Where did it happen? You see? Okay, let's go back to our sentences. Let's do each one. I'll do each one time for English fluency. You have your listeners ready? Okay, here we go. What'd he do? Who'd he go with? What was he doing? Look at the sentence. Where was she driving? Number 5. How did he hurt himself? Where did he fall? Where was she going? Where did it happen? You see, there you go. You got all those sentences, and those are your fluency tips for connecting verbs with other words in native sounding English speaking method. I hope you got that. And yes, please be sure you, I didn't give you the bonus. What was the bonus today? Let me see. Well, I don't have a bonus today, but I want you to promise me to look at the playlist, look at the videos on phonics. A lot of this is covered in phonics videos also, and in prepositions. Please check those prepositions because you'll be mightily helped by reviewing the prepositions videos. You know, prepositions are very important, so don't forget them in your sentences, and we'll cover them again, or you can look at some of the videos that I've already put up about those. Do remember to give me a click on the notifications, give me a click on the like button, and yes, give me a click on the subscribe button. Do tell a friend, keep coming back, and I'll have more tips for you on the next video. Bye now, and do take care.